Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna go ahead and install a K&N air filter on my sister's Dodge Challenger right here. You guys have most likely seen this car before because we installed a few things in it. For example, the splitter, the little halo rings right here, some spacers, the rear roof spoiler right here, and then the wicker bill, and then diffuser. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna let the car warm up really quick so we can do a little bit of a before and after, and then yeah, that should be it. This is my sister's Camaro right here. This thing is sick too. We haven't done anything to this car yet. I plan on doing a few things to it once she orders a few things. This car already came with a few things from factory. It came with that lip, the side skirts right there. I don't think it has a diffuser, but it does have a sick like duckbill on it. This one right here. And I think she might be able to get a diffuser to make it stand out. But yeah, let's go ahead and turn this car on. So this is a 2023 actually. Keep in mind this car is stock when it comes to the exhaust, and it sounds this good. She has done no exhaust work to it, and that's how it sounds. Actually sounds really good. I believe for the 2023 models they did something to the exhaust. It even has like the little valves that open when you put it in sport mode, so it makes it a little bit louder, which is pretty sick. And she's scared to actually change the sound on this car or to make it even louder because it might be like a little bit too raspy, which I think is true just because it's already pretty loud for what it is with just like the stock exhaust. But yeah, this thing's sick and it sounds nice too. It's not like too loud, not quiet. ¿Sabes dónde está el intake?
No,
Yo creo que lo tienen en el cuarto, entonces.
yo creo que sí.
Entonces le pregunto. Alright, we're gonna go for a quick test drive. Get the car just like a little bit warmed up. Get a little bit of before and after footage. Yeah, this thing's nice. And I actually got her these paddle shifters for Christmas. I heard some complaints about them falling off, but as long as you clean the area really good, use some acetone, they won't come off. I also got this little cap right here, so it makes it look really like nice and clean. And also these knobs for her control units right here, which gives it a little bit more pop, and it goes with the red on the dash as well. It looks really clean. It's not overly done, which is cool. Alright, let's go ahead and get this thing a little bit warmed up and get some footage. And the cool thing about this car is like when you put it in sport mode, it actually makes the car like a little bit louder. Oh, here it is right there. Oh, there you go. I felt a shift. You guys hear that? Okay, this little flag turned on or off when I took it off of sport mode. Okay, now you guys can hear. Car's a little bit more quieter. Put it in sport. It's pretty sick. He's sleeping. Alright, let's leave it in sport. This way it gives us like a better sound. And we'll also do it in sport when we install the K&N filter as well. let's give it a few revs, see how it sounds, the stock filter. Alright, we just got back. Let's go ahead and begin installing the filter. But these look like 8 mils. I'll check right now, or you could use a star head. Take this off. Alright, got the star head. This in this crown bracket too. ¿Eh? Dice que va con anillo. La Vanessa. All right. No. Sí. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn the car on. I think I can hear a difference in sound. I'm pretty sure you can hear that. It sounds pretty sick. I hear more of that like swooshing sound. Alright guys, going for a drive. I can actually for sure hear the intake pulling in more air. Not sure if it's noticeable on your guys' end, but I can for sure hear it. And it also feels a little bit like quicker on the responsiveness. Like it just goes. Before it didn't feel bad obviously, but like right now I just feel like a little bit of a quicker response. You gotta pay really close attention, but you can hear like a shh, shh. few revs. Yeah, pretty sure. Yeah, very noticeable. Few revs. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and end the video right there. I will link down everything in the description that you can go ahead and pick up. It's all from Amazon. I will include even the accessories that I was talking about earlier in the video, which is the paddle shifters, the knobs for the accessories, the cover for the shift knob, and also the K&N filter. Everything I spent like $100 during the Cyber Monday deals and all that stuff, so it wasn't that expensive. Pretty cheap if I'm being honest with you for all that stuff, and it made a pretty big difference on the inside. And as for the intake, as you guys saw, did make a somewhat noticeable difference when it came to like the sound. Obviously, if it's just like idling there, it's not going to make a difference. You got to kind of rev it a little bit to hear it, and you can feel a little bit more of that responsiveness when driving. It's just a filter, so it's not going to make a huge difference, but it's something cool that you guys can add to the car, you know, to add mods to it. So that's my opinion on it. You guys can go ahead and purchase it. Not super expensive either, because like an aftermarket intake is going to run you a lot more versus just a drop-in filter. And from my experience and what I've heard and seen also online with dyno tunes and stuff like that, that the aftermarket intakes don't even make a lot of difference. And the filters actually do pretty well just being a drop-in filter. But go ahead and follow my sister along with the Challenger. She does post pictures here and there if you guys want to see more pictures of it. Like I said, this is like the special edition. I can't remember what it exactly is called, but there's like a little sticker on the front for the last 2023 model. So it's a pretty cool edition of the Challenger that she has, all blacked out. Already came with all like the black exterior, so it looks really, really nice and clean. There's a few videos that I have on my channel posted of it, of things that I have installed on it. So if you guys want to watch more videos, you should be able to just search in my search bar, videos for the Challenger, and you guys will all find them there, which includes the splitter, diffuser, duckbill, wicker bill, everything's going to be there. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.